Christmas, but
It is Christmas. What are you talking about?
so cool. You think it's so cool? Yeah.
It's a smart TV.
Oh, yeah, we need a... Hey guys, it's Nella from Don't Say Hurry. Welcome back to our channel, and I hope you guys didn't get scared with all of the excitement, but we actually went to my mom's house this past weekend to help her clean out the garage, and we brought some things that we had left over there, including our Polar Express train. So the kids are super excited to put it together, so I hope you guys enjoy. Yes, we also are watching Polar Express at the same time. We got this train years ago, I think when Yvette and Eliana were still babies. We bought it at the flea market for like 30 or 35 bucks. At that time, Eliana, she loved Polar Express and could not get enough of it. Unfortunately, we don't have the remote control for it. I might look on Amazon, see if I can find something that could work. So for now, the toddler is just gonna play with the train, and we're just gonna set it up under the Christmas tree. So Yvette took charge of setting up the tracks, and it was a pretty good activity for her because there are like 3 or 4 different ways you can set up the tracks, and she is figuring that out and she finally got it. So good job, Yvette. So while the girls finished putting up the train, setting it up and everything, I heated up dinner. Yes, those are tamales from Delia's Tamales in McAllen or Far. I don't remember where that one's at, but they are pretty popular now. They deliver, in case you're interested, and we love the pork tamales. We got 5 dozens. We ate 3 this night. My husband took 1 to work, and then we are probably gonna have some for breakfast tomorrow or on the weekends. So I will leave a link down below if you guys are interested. They are so delicious. So now I'll be setting up the Christmas nativity scene that I actually got as a Christmas gift last year or the year before from my mother-in-law. Super excited about that. guys didn't know, we are Catholic, so I went ahead and took out the little baby Jesus that it has, and we will set it out on a Christmas Day or probably after, because we will be out of town. Or maybe I can take it with us. That's an idea. Hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas video. We will have a Christmas home tour coming up soon, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.